Rachael Jones and this is Kohle Capital Markets Weekly Update. The GBPUSD has started the week on the back foot after 3 consecutive weekly gains. The exchange rate is heading for a January resistance. According to data released last week, the UK's economy grew in the fourth quarter of last year. Economic output grew by 0.1% in the October to December period from the previous 3 months. The Office for National Statistics had previously said the economy showed no growth in the fourth quarter of 2022. GBP and USD can provide traders with a range of opportunities on a breakout or reversal. According to the Commerce Department in the United States, their inflation-adjusted GDP increased by 2.6% for the final quarter of 2022. Economists were looking for the figure to remain at 2.7%, according to Refinitiv data. The US economy slowed from 3.2% annualized growth in the third quarter. Slower consumer spending, export reductions, and a continued slowdown in the US housing market were to blame. The United States housing market has slowed for 7 quarters due to inflation pressures hurting investment and buying. Back in the UK, in a poll by the CBI said that a majority of 55% of firms are predicting growth in the private sector for April to June. That marks the first positive outlook for growth since May 2022. Manufacturing companies were more optimistic and UK car production improved with increased exports to the UK. However, the CBI's lead economist said the country is skirting stagnation rather than growing. It's encouraging that the private sector is expected to return to growth in the months ahead, chiming with a range of other data indicating some resilience in economic activity. The pound sterling is still elevated from its recent high inflation reading. With a reading above 10% and US inflation dipping below 7%, interest rates will remain higher for the UK economy. Traders should expect a test of resistance and look for the reaction from the exchange rate. Well, that's the latest weekly update from Kohle Capital Markets. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Rachael, signing off for now.